Alright, this evening I am going to make some peanut butter fudge. I've got a half a cup of melted butter here, and I have got 16 ounces of brown sugar. I hope everybody's doing alright. I got to let this come to a boil. Oh, let me see. Stir in brown sugar. And I have got a half a cup of milk. Let me get this. Alright, I've got to bring this to boil and for 2 minutes. So I hope everybody's doing okay. I am tired today. I have been Walmart picking up my order, or I went there and went inside and got it. But I'll soon be 84 years old, so I get tired. My birthday is in March. In 4 months, I'll be 84 years old. Okay. Let me get my vanilla. Well, it's not. I've got it on high. It's getting there. Okay, now I've got to let this boil for 2 minutes. Okay, I'm making this. My hairdresser gave me some material to make quilts, and in exchange for what she done for me, I'm making peanut butter fudge and sausage balls. Got 1 minute to go. Okay. I hope everybody's doing okay today. Oh yeah. Okay. I got to take this off. And I've got 3/4 cups of peanut butter here. It's hot over here on the stove. I got to put vanilla. I'm gonna cut this off. I got one more step to do. I was trying to find my these to put in my electric mixer, and I couldn't find them, so I'm gonna have to do this. Okay. Now I've got to pour this okay. This is gonna make a bunch of All right, there is my fudge. I got it. I don't know what happened to for that, but I am downloading this. I've already got this chilled and it's ready to cut. I hope you, if you need like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got a video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching.